Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are taking an in-depth look at a versatile piece of kitchen hardware that promises to bridge the gap between heavy-duty cooking and portable convenience. This is the 3000-watt 4-burner electric cooktop. Whether you are dealing with a cramped apartment kitchen, setting up a kitchenette in your office, or just need extra burners for the holidays, this unit claims to be a total game changer. Let us start with the performance. This cooktop uses far-infrared heating technology. It offers a combined output of 3000 watts distributed across 4 burners of varying sizes. Because these are infrared elements, they heat up remarkably fast and provide even distribution. You are getting 2 900-watt burners and 2 600-watt burners, which gives you plenty of flexibility depending on whether you are simmering a delicate sauce or boiling a large pot of pasta. One of the standout features here is the control scheme. You get a touch-sensitive interface that allows you to toggle between 9 different heat levels. The temperature range is quite wide, starting at 176 degrees Fahrenheit and going all the way up to 1202 degrees. For those who are forgetful in the kitchen, the built-in 2-hour timer is a fantastic safety addition, ensuring that the unit shuts off automatically when your cooking session is complete. There is also a dedicated kid safety lock feature, which is a must-have for any household with little ones. Now, let us talk about compatibility. Unlike induction cooktops that require specific magnetic materials, this electric hot plate is remarkably forgiving. It works with aluminum, copper, cast iron, and non-magnetic stainless steel. Basically, whatever pots and pans you currently have in your cupboard will work perfectly fine here. In terms of installation, you have 2 options. You can use it as a freestanding countertop unit or flush mount it into your cabinetry for a clean, built-in look. However, there is a very important detail you need to be aware of. This unit does not come with a pre-installed plug. You will need to wire it yourself, so make sure you have the proper electrical tools or access to someone who knows how to handle appliance installation safely. Looking at the pros, the versatility of the 4 burners is the biggest win. Having multiple cooking zones in such a compact footprint is a rare find. The compatibility with all cookware types also saves you from having to replace your entire set of pots and pans. On the downside, the lack of a plug means it is not a simple plug-and-play device out of the box, which might intimidate some users. Additionally, because it is infrared, the surface stays hot for a while even after you turn it off, so you need to be mindful of that. Overall, this is a powerful and flexible solution for anyone needing a high-performance cooking surface in a compact space. It hits the balance between raw power and precise digital control quite well. If you are looking to upgrade your cooking setup, this might be exactly what you need. Link in the description.